In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a table in Notion. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're organizing a personal project or managing a team workspace, as resizing tables can help you better visualize and manage your data effectively. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Notion workspace. If you're not already signed in, just click on Log In and enter your credentials to access your connected workspace for all your wiki, docs, and project needs. Once you're in, head over to the Notion home. This is your starting point for all your Notion activities and the place where you'll find your existing pages and databases. Next, what you want to do is locate the specific page or database where you want to resize the table. Click on the Database section to enter into the table view. This section might already have various views like lists, galleries, or timelines, but for resizing purposes, let's stick with tables. Now, once you're in the database, shift your focus to the top section where the table view is prominently displayed. After ensuring you're in the table view, you're ready to make some adjustments. You might want to start by adding any needed properties if they're not already present. To do this, simply click on Add Property if there's a need for more columns that you want to incorporate to better organize your data. Now, to resize your columns, move your mouse cursor slowly to the area between the column headers. As you hover, you'll notice a special icon appearing. It's a two-directional arrow resembling a small resize icon. This is your cue that you can expand or contract the column width. Click on this resize icon and hold down your mouse button. With the button still pressed, drag left or right as needed. Moving to the right will widen the column, making it easier to read longer text entries. Dragging it to the left will make the column narrower, which can help in minimizing clutter and focusing on essential data only. Release the mouse button when you're satisfied with the new width. With that, you've successfully resized your table columns in Notion. This skill will vastly help in customizing your workspace to make it more efficient and tailored to your individual workflow. Remember, organizing your tables isn't just about aesthetics. It's also crucial for operational efficiency. Therefore, spend a little time exploring how resizing can impact your overall productivity. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing in Notion.